Paphos is one of the most magical places in Cyprus, but most travelers only scratch the surface. In this video, we're revealing the top 20 places you absolutely need to visit. From legendary, mythological sites and ancient ruins to hidden beaches, mountain escapes, and secret catacombs. We'll show you what to see, when to go, and insider tips you won't find in most travel guides. So whether you're here for history, adventure, or simply soaking in that Mediterranean sun, stick around. Your perfect Paphos itinerary starts right now. One, Aphrodite's Rock. Arguably, Cyprus's most legendary spot, Aphrodite's Rock is steeped in mythology as the birthplace of the goddess of love. This dramatic rock formation, rising majestically from the azure Mediterranean Sea, is best viewed at sunset for a magical photo opportunity. Local legends say that swimming around the rock 3 times will bring eternal beauty and true love, making it a popular spot for romantic souls and mythology enthusiasts alike. Two, Edro III Shipwreck. Near the rugged cliffs of Paia lies the Edro III, a Sierra Leone registered cargo ship that ran aground in stormy weather in 2011. Its rusted hull and eerie presence against the rocky coastline have turned it into a popular photography spot, especially during golden hour when the setting sun casts long shadows across its weathered structure. The ship's dramatic positioning, seemingly frozen in time, creates a haunting yet beautiful scene. Three, Avakas Gorge. A top hiking destination within Avakas National Park, this limestone gorge features towering canyon walls reaching heights of up to 30 meters and abundant lush greenery. It's an easy yet rewarding trail suitable for all levels, perfect for nature lovers and photographers. The gorge is home to rare flora and fauna, including the endangered Centaurea acamantis, found nowhere else in the world. The natural acoustics and cool microclimate make it a refreshing escape during hot summer months. Four, Coral Bay. This is one of the region's most beautiful sandy beaches, known for its crystal-clear turquoise waters and relaxed Mediterranean vibe. It's great for families, sunbathers, and water sport enthusiasts, with plenty of cafes and restaurants nearby. The horseshoe-shaped bay offers protected swimming conditions and excellent facilities, including sunbed rentals and water sports equipment. The gentle slope of the beach makes it particularly suitable for children. Five, Paphos Harbor. The vibrant heart of the city, Paphos Harbor features a scenic promenade lined with boutique shops, authentic local eateries, and stunning views of gently bobbing fishing boats and luxury yachts. It's lively from morning to night and a perfect base for exploring. Street performers and local artists add to the atmosphere, while traditional fish tavernas serve the day's fresh catch with spectacular harbor views. Six, Paphos Castle. Standing proudly at the edge of the harbor, this medieval fort offers panoramic views and fascinating insight into the city's Byzantine and Ottoman past. A small entrance fee gives access to its upper floors and inner chambers, where visitors can explore the historical architecture and defense mechanisms. Originally built as a Byzantine fort, it was rebuilt by the Lusinians in the 13th century and later reinforced by the Ottomans. Seven, Kato Paphos Archaeological Park. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, this extensive open-air museum includes remarkably preserved Roman villas with detailed mosaics, ancient theaters, and early Christian ruins. Don't miss the House of Dionysos for its stunning preserved floors, which depict scenes from Greek mythology in intricate detail. The park spans several centuries of history, from prehistoric times through the Middle Ages. Eight, Sea Caves of Paphos. These natural rock formations along the northern coast are a hidden marvel carved by centuries of wave action. Visit the dedicated viewpoint or dine nearby at Sea Caves Tavern, where the cliffside setting enhances the experience. The caves are particularly spectacular during rough seas when waves crash through the natural arches, creating impressive water displays. 9. Tombs of the Kings. Despite its name, this ancient necropolis wasn't for royalty, but for high-ranking officials and nobles. Tomb 3 is a standout with its impressive Doric columns and intricate underground chambers. Visit early to avoid the midday heat. The tombs, carved into solid rock, demonstrate the remarkable architectural capabilities of ancient civilizations. 10. Venus Beach. A calm and scenic stretch of sand just outside town, Venus Beach is great for swimming and lounging. A nearby pier protects swimmers from rough waves, making it safe and accessible for visitors of all ages. The beach offers excellent facilities and is less crowded than some of the more popular tourist spots. Kings Avenue Mall. For modern comforts and a bit of shopping, Kings Avenue Mall offers popular international brands, diverse eateries, and entertainment options. It's conveniently located near the Tombs of the Kings, making it an ideal midday stop for air-conditioned respite from sightseeing. Paphos Promenade. This well-maintained coastal path stretches along the picturesque Paphos shoreline, offering an idyllic setting for various activities. Whether you're an early morning jogger seeking a scenic route, a casual walker enjoying the Mediterranean breeze, or someone looking to unwind on a bench while watching the sunset, this promenade caters to all preferences. The path is dotted with charming cafes serving local delicacies and refreshments, while small, hidden beaches invite quiet moments of relaxation. The stunning sea views are particularly magnificent during golden hour, when the sun paints the horizon in brilliant hues of orange and pink, making it one of the most desirable locations to stay in Paphos. 13. Agios Neophytos Monastery. Nestled in the tranquil hills outside Paphos, this remarkable 12th century monastery stands as a testament to Cyprus's rich religious heritage. The monastery, founded by the hermit Saint Neophytos, offers visitors a profound sense of spiritual tranquility. Its meticulously maintained gardens burst with Mediterranean flora, creating a peaceful sanctuary. The monastery's most striking feature is its collection of rock-carved chapels, known as the enclaistra, which house exceptionally preserved ancient frescoes and precious religious artifacts dating back centuries. Troodos Mountains. A perfect escape from Paphos's coastal warmth, the Troodos Mountains present an excellent day trip opportunity. The journey features scenic drives through winding mountain roads, offering refreshingly cool mountain air and breathtaking vistas. Among its many charming villages, Omotos stands out with its rich cultural heritage, renowned for its exceptional local wine production, traditional olive oil pressing, and the historic Timios Stavros Monastery, which houses important religious relics. Mount Olympus. Standing proudly as Cyprus's highest peak, Mount Olympus offers an unforgettable experience for nature enthusiasts. Visitors can choose between self-driven adventures or guided tours, each providing unique perspectives of the mountain's majesty. The winding roads leading to the summit feature numerous scenic stops, offering spectacular photo opportunities and panoramic views of the island. During winter months, the peak transforms into a surprising ski destination, complete with modern facilities. (16) Kikos Monastery. Deep within the Troodos Mountains lies the magnificent Kikos Monastery, one of Cyprus's wealthiest and most famous monasteries. Its interiors showcase stunning golden decorations and intricate iconography, while its museum houses priceless religious artifacts and historical treasures. The monastery's peaceful forest surroundings create an atmospheric backdrop, making it an essential visit for those interested in cultural heritage and religious history. (17) Lara Beach. This pristine stretch of coastline, part of the protected Avakas National Park, represents one of Cyprus's most untouched natural wonders. Lara Beach serves as a crucial nesting site for both green and loggerhead sea turtles, with special conservation programs in place. Summer evening visits offer the extraordinary possibility of witnessing baby turtles making their inaugural journey to the sea, a truly magical experience that occurs under the watchful eyes of conservation staff. (18) Paphos Old Town. Venture inland to discover the authentic heart of Paphos in its charming Old Town district. This vibrant area pulses with local life, featuring bustling markets selling fresh produce and traditional crafts. Visitors can explore cozy cafes, serving Cypriot coffee and local delicacies, browse unique boutique shops, and admire the area's impressive collection of colorful street art murals. It's the perfect place to find authentic souvenirs and immerse yourself in genuine Cypriot culture. (19) Blue Lagoon. This hidden gem, accessible only via boat trips from Lachi Harbor, showcases nature at its finest. The Blue Lagoon's crystal-clear turquoise waters provide ideal conditions for swimming and snorkeling, with excellent visibility and abundant marine life. Visitors can choose between joining a group cruise or chartering a luxury yacht for a more exclusive experience. The secluded location and pristine waters create a tropical paradise, feeling that seems worlds away from the busier tourist spots. (20) St. Solomon's Catacombs and St. Paul's Pillar. These significant historical sites, located in close proximity within Paphos's city center, offer fascinating glimpses into the region's early Christian history. The catacombs feature a network of cool underground chambers that once served as both burial grounds and places of worship for early Christians seeking refuge from persecution. Nearby, St. Paul's Pillar marks the historical location where, according to tradition, the Apostle Paul was flogged before converting the Roman governor to Christianity. Final thought. From ancient legends to crystal-clear waters, rugged mountains to hidden catacombs, Paphos truly offers a bit of everything. Whether you're a history buff, a beach lover, or an adventurer at heart. We hope this guide helped you uncover the rich variety this beautiful corner of Cyprus has to offer. If you're planning your trip, don't just stick to the tourist trail. Get out there, explore the lesser-known gems, and experience Paphos like a local. And if you've already been, let us know your favorite spots in the comments. We'd love to hear what made your Paphos trip unforgettable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more travel inspiration from around the world. Safe travels, and see you in the next on.